Hey everyone, so I wanted to get into this one. This is my first time ordering. This is Sacred Space Crate. This is my first box from them. And I honest to God can't even remember if it's just a one-time or if it's a subscription. But let us get into this and see what is going on in this box. Okay, so let's get into this and see what we have. Ooh. Goodness. Okay, so it's the whole box is the thing. So it just comes like this. And oh, it smells so good too. So let us see what is in here. Oh, so this is a favorite witchy things box. So I'm not going to show you this. We're just going to get into it. But yeah, I'm very excited. Okay. So this is, I feel like this is the November 2021 box. I think that's what this is. Yeah. Okay. So because I see this is what's in the box. There is a little November thank you. So there's that. Cool. All right. Yay. Let's see what else. Oh, the moon and zodiac. And the zodiac. So if you, whatever your moon sign is, my particular moon sign is Cancer. No, I lied. My moon's in Sagittarius. My Cancer is my ascent. Anyway, so that's very helpful. Cool to know. This says, if you can read it, a grateful heart is a magnet for magic. That's true. All about the gratitude. Okay, cute. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, so we're starting with some incense sticks. This is Awakening Incense Sticks. Where are we here? There we are. Let me smell these guys. Looks like you get about 6 or 7 sticks. There's that. Oh, smell good. They actually smell like the same sticks from my other box that I just opened, which was the Witch's Moon. So it must be a scent for this time of year. So there's that. Alrighty. And then I see, goodness gracious, all these heavy stuff. Okay, let's get to this. This is the High Priestess Lies Within. It's a candle, High Priestess Ritual Candle. All right, let's see what she looks like. So pretty. I see, looks like jasmine, maybe amethyst. Smells good. It's a very light scent. How pretty is that candle? I love it when they put like the glitter or the mica on top. Nice. Okay. And I gotta tell you guys, I'm a candle maker. These things are getting expensive to make because wax has gotten really expensive. So I'm really appreciating a good candle. And then this is the, this is a burdock root. Looks like a salve. Yeah. Let's see. I can't really smell it, which I guess is probably a good thing. Yeah, I can't smell anything. But this, it's sweet almond oil, sunflower oil, burdock root, beeswax. Oh, it's for like skin stuff, like eczema, psoriasis, that kind of thing. So, you know, winter's coming. Can't hurt to have that. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh. Oh, we've got a little jar full. It looks like jasmine. Yep, jasmine flower. Pretty. And I like this little container that it's in. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. All right. Okay. Then I see this witch's tea. Add 3 grams to 6 ounces of water. Steep 4 minutes. Kind of hard to see what it looks like, but I see it up there on the top. So it's raspberry leaf, nettle, lemon peel, vitex, lemon verbena, linden flower, cinnamon, rose petals, and stevia. Can't have it. I can't have stevia. Oh, well, whatever. Somebody will drink it. Alrighty, and then, okay, this is probably an oil, my best guess. All right. Yep. And this is Come to Me Pheromone Reactive Oil. Look how pretty that is. That's so pretty. Nice. Let's give it a smell. Yeah, it's also light, kind of hard to smell a pheromone oil. I do see the jasmine in there though, so there's that. You can see a lot that's in there. Beautiful oil. All right. I see big stuff. We're getting to big stuff. Woo! Okay. I remember now. I wanted this box because I am... Woo, sorry. Hold on, let's slow that down. Okay. I remember I wanted this box because I am Asian, half anyway, and this is very, very pretty. So this is the Tarot of the Divine, and let's see if I can, it's sealed up, so let me get into this guy very carefully. All right. Okay. Ooh, okay. So here's the book. This is the deck. And we're move that sleeve. Oh, look how pretty. The Fool, the Magician. I won't go through everything, but oh, look how pretty. Sorry I keep knocking that thing. I'm again on like the worst tripod stand that I could have ever gotten. It's so flimsy. But anyway, look how pretty. I love this artwork. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I, again, know nothing of tarot. I keep collecting a bunch of tarot cards and I don't even do tarot, but they're pretty. I like them. So there's that. Here's the book to match up the cards. So there's that. Again, beautiful. I'm gonna have to learn how to do this. So there's that. Okay. Noodles. All right. I see a velvet bag. I am assuming, oh, it's pretty, and it's got a little tarot thing on it, so it's probably for the tarot deck. That's cute. I dig that. Okay. And then I'll see more. I see a rock. Ooh, is this, are we lapis? I think we're lapis. I think that's what this is. Really pretty. You guys see that? Yeah. Lapis lazuli, lapis lazuli, whatever people call it. That's what I think it is. And then I see this amazing looking book here, Beneath the Moon, which is getting stuck on everything. All right, let's see, Beneath the Moon, which looks like it's the companion, yes, to the tarot. Fairy tales, myths, and divine stories from around the world. Let me hold that back so you can see the whole thing. She's so pretty. All right, and here's like the little stories that are in here. The sun god Ra. Can we see this? I can't even tell if I have you guys in the frame. Very cool. Dig, dig, dig. Jack and the Beanstalk. There you go. So this looks like some good reading. Coyotes. Osiris, Set, and Isis. Nice. Sweet. So I think that is everything that was in the box. Yep, I got it all. All right, so let's get the paperwork. Make sure we have it all. Yep, okay. So, favorite witchy things. The Tarot of the Divine Guidebook. So here's the tarot. There's the bag. Our little calendar here. So I'll put these back here. Put that back there. All right. The Beneath the Moon book is right here. We have the Handmade Tarot Bag. Oh, that's handmade. Cool. The High Priestess Ritual Candle, which is this guy right here. Diggin'. All right. Oh, and they even tell you like different things that you could do with it. That's cool. The jasmine flowers right here. And they even tell you like the association things you can correlate using the jasmine flowers too. All right, the lapis lazuli or lapis lazuli stone. Where are you, Lapis? Right here in the little bag. And then the Come To Me Pheromone Oil, again right here. And the Witch's Brew Tea. And the Awakening Incense Sticks. I'm just going to have to burn some incense, just saying. The Burdock Root Salve. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And then, of course, the Moon and Zodiac Calendar, which I had all the way back there. That is really cool. I'm so happy I got this box. I feel like I got the subscription too, so hopefully. Otherwise, I'll have to check my account, make sure I did. But anyway, yes, awesome box. And I will put the pricing down below, and I will put links and all that fun stuff as well down below. But I am very, very happy with what I've gotten. And I also have other videos up from other boxes that I've opened, so go ahead and give them a look-see as well. And I have a couple other channels, so if you would like to check those out, they will be linked as well too. Please like this video, give me a little thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will keep posting more boxes as I get them. It's toward the beginning of the next month, so we're going to be getting more boxes here soon. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.